Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making no-bake chocolate mint bars.
These mint bars are the ultimate easy treat. Cool, creamy, and loaded with rich chocolate flavor. Made with simple ingredients and 0 oven time. They're perfect for parties or anytime you're craving a rich mint dessert.
Their layers of chocolate and bright bold green color make them the perfect handheld dessert for Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, or any get-together with friends.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make no-bake chocolate mint bars.
I'm going to start this recipe with the base for the bars. In a medium saucepot on medium-low heat, melt a 1/4 cup of butter along with 1 200-gram bag of mint chips. Now, to be completely honest, when I was making this recipe, I couldn't find mint chips. So I've just added about a teaspoon of mint extract to a bag of chocolate chips. Now that the chocolate's melted, I'm going to stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, which will give you a rich, thick chocolate mixture. Stir in 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs and a 1/2 cup of shredded coconut. And I'm going to press this out into the bottom of a lined 8-inch square casserole dish. And this is going to get popped into the fridge while I move on to the next layer. In a bowl, cream together a 1/2 cup of softened butter with 3 cups of icing sugar. Beat this for a few minutes until it's very soft and creamy. Then I'm going to beat in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of mint extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And this step is optional, but I'm going to add in a few drops of green food coloring. Once the mixture is smooth, thick, and spreadable, grab the base layer out of the fridge and spread this out evenly on top. And now layers 1 and 2 are going to get popped back into the fridge to chill. For the rich chocolate top, I'm going to melt together 1½ cups of semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips. I'm going to melt this together with a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This is going to give us a simple, rich chocolate ganache. Once it's smooth and silky, spread this on top for the final layer of the dessert bars. And you guessed it, to finish this recipe off, these bars are going to go back into the fridge to chill until the chocolate is set. This will take about 1 to 2 hours. Then you can remove them from the pan and slice them into little bite-sized treats. These bars are super rich and packed with intense mint flavor. They're like the mint version of the Canadian Nanaimo bar. This recipe is super quick and easy to make. And it's no-bake, so they're ready in no time. Keep these bars stored in the fridge. When you're ready to serve them, pull them out of the fridge so they can soften slightly.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.